morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is strengthening and is currently overbought. Bitcoin has fallen 4.6% in the last session. The CCI has moved into the negative area. The price of gold has lost 2.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has sunk into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has lost 4.4% in the last session. The MACD shifted sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The Libyan production restart got swamped by hurricane concerns, driving up oil prices once again. The Japanese yen may continue to exhibit a bullish behavior as the Bank of Japan appears to be in no rush to alter the path for monetary policy. A recent study shows that Alibaba Group is the largest blockchain patent holder in 2020, capturing 10 times the number of patents held by IBM.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The German GfK consumer climate will be released at 400 GMT. The German manufacturing PMI at 530 GMT. The Eurozone services PMI at 600 GMT. The Swiss ZEW expectations at 600 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 900 GMT, and the Japanese services PMI at 2230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.